Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 PRO to program 2030 BMW 5 Series Smart Key.
Add a smart key to this car. What we need to be prepared for is Lonsdor's K518 PRO, an original car key, and a new smart key. First, plug in OBD communication cable. Select IMO and remote. Find BMW. From type, select CAS4, CAS4+. Select the second method OBD. Select Read Key Data. Click OK according to the prompts. Please turn on the ignition switch. The ignition switch is turned on. Click OK. Information read successful. Click OK. 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 Prompt that need to pre-process the current vehicle. Click OK. Select Backup and Restore Code. Select Backup Code and click OK. Click OK according to the prompts. Turn on the ignition switch. Click OK. Enter the name of the file to be saved. Click OK. OK. Backup success. Click Cancel. Select Pre-process CAS4. Click OK according to the prompts. Follow the prompts and click OK. Turn on the ignition. OK. Click OK according to the prompts. Click OK when done. Select Making Dealer Key. Click OK. Please turn on the ignition switch and hazard warning lights. Click OK. Select Blank Key. Select IMMO coil generation. Select Have original car key and click OK. Put a working key close to induction coil. Click OK. OK. Put the new key close to the induction coil. Writing new key. Do not move. Program successfully. Click OK. OK. We can see that the No 4 key position program successfully. Click Cancel. Let's see if the keys work. New key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The new key started successfully. The original car key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The original car key was successfully started. Let's try again to see if the remote control works. The original car key, unlock, lock. New key, unlock, lock.
We have programmed the Smart Key for 2030 BMW 5 Series. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more spry ahead.